Hey, happy Monday. It is Cindy, and I am here with your Make a Difference Monday tip. I admire those that can be connectors. And what I mean by that is those people that see something in somebody else and is like, you know what? You need to meet Cindy. You need to meet so and so. Because together you can collaborate and become even better. So, my challenge for you this week is to find somebody you can connect with somebody else in your network, because you're going to make not only your relationship stronger with your persons, but you might connect something and start something really amazing. And you know what? That will make a difference, not only in their lives, but probably yours as well. So make a difference today by connecting somebody with somebody else. Hope you have a great day, a fantastic week, and we will chat with you soon.